In this video, I'll be showing you how to make use of modifier items in Revit 2020. Hello guys and welcome to DLM Studios. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make use of the modify panel, including trim, cut, extend, and alignment tools in Autodesk Revit 2020. Stay tuned. Congratulations, you have reached the end of this video. You can press the like button below to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications because more tutorials will be coming up every day. You can leave your comments, your thoughts, and leave any question you have in the comment section below, and be sure to get a reply next time.